Hi, what I will be reviewing today is a cup warmer from Royal Catering. A great device for buffets, especially conference rooms, also great in cafes, so any place where you need to have your cups hot, because nobody likes cold coffee. So it's much better when the cups are already warm, so you're pouring the beverage in a warm cup so it doesn't lose temperature. So let me just go through all the little details. So the whole device is made of stainless steel. It has the power of 2 times 70 watts. So the power is divided into these 2 shelves. Each shelf is perforated, the heating element is inside, and you can turn on each individually. So this is actually a great feature because if you're not too busy or you're expecting to get busy a little bit later on, you just turn on the bottom shelf so the heat goes up. So the cups on the top shelf will still be slightly warmer, so when you need them you just turn the second shelf on and basically they will heat up really quickly. Great thing is the fact that on top you see those rails. This is actually a place where you can still put your cups on, but it's much better, I reckon, for towels, because like you have to imagine as a barista or as a bartender, there's a lot of polishing involved, and you have to keep those rags and those cloths in a dry place, and there's no such place in a venue normally. Like normally the cloths would go on top of the coffee machine, and this doesn't simply look very good. So that's where this machine comes in. Basically you fill it with your cups, top and bottom shelf. You put your rags or cloths on top, and when you switch it on, they will be nice and warm, and the rags will dry out really quickly as well. So that's pretty much what it does. A very useful machine. Well, basically wherever you serve hot beverages. If you're looking for this one, you might also be interested in a plate warmer. Please have a look at the website. There's a couple models of that machine too. This particular though comes with a 3-year warranty, and when you order it, it will be posted to you in a really sturdy cardboard box, so it's safe on its whole journey to your place. This is really nice double thick cardboard with styrofoam in it for really tight fit. Trust me, I had some struggles to take it out of the box. Also inside you will find this instruction manual. Please have a read because there's a lot of useful information on how to prepare the device for its first use. Some information in regards to cleaning. I personally would clean it with some vinegar water solution just to give it this nice shine once in a while. Give it some stainless steel polish just so it looks good. Just remember, it may sit in front of your guests on a buffet, but also in a cafe. It will be in a visible spot, so it's good when it's nice and clean. So these information you will find inside, so definitely a good read. Alright, so that's about it. If you found this informative, just leave me a comment in the comment section what other equipment you want me to test, and I'll do it for you. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.